lovely warm day. Definitely got extended ride for that today. Thanks to Steph who's operated it today. Just to see views on that site. They know how much I'm looking forward to Exodus next year. And yes, more work deliveries are still happening today. So what are they doing over there? So, oh, they've got more soil. Oh my god, there's another lorry coming through. There'll be plenty of these every day at the minute. Look how exciting it is though. Come on, keep going, I'm trying to get this action shot. What are they actually doing actually? So they have actually filled some more land from a few I saw from Summerway. And there's a lot more work to do at their end on the right hand side, which you can see now. They're still putting more soil to that end. And here comes a lorry, going to get some more. So I've been on sort of eye, and I'm not kidding, I can actually see the blue markings where the supports and where bits are going to be. That is exciting. I can actually clearly see it today because the amount of times, you know, from the ride when it's been wet and horrible, couldn't see anything. Today on a clear eye vision C viewpoint on the ride today from the photo airtime was, I could actually see the markings of the track's going to be. That made me excited. I know exactly where bits are going to be, and oh wow, I cannot wait now. Right then, down to Monk's Walk, and let's see what I get from this view now. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the first foundation drill. It's going down 10 meters and then the concrete is going to be filled in. Oh my goodness, it's really happening. The first drill for that machine, it's slowly going down and down and down, like you've just seen there. It's very slowly, you might not notice, but it's actually spinning. And that is the very first drill I've just witnessed. That historic moment for Thorpe Park Project Exodus starts today. The foundations is starting, and yeah, we're seeing history right now. That machine has actually moved since I last left here. So yes, that's actually have left slowly. So yes, look at that. So that machine is actually happening right now. So that's the one, it's going right down to the ground. So this is the machine that actually goes drilling down to make some foundations for the concrete for the supports when it does come in time. So yeah, you will know, because that red bit there, goes down and then it goes up again. So yeah, it's all going to be interesting for the next few weeks now. Oh my god, here we go, what's this? More soil! Look at that! Soil! Bring some more land! Yeah, look at that, it's exciting times now! Well, I've had a good day until I've got in the mud, all wet puddles. But yeah, it's what it is. It's been a great day. I forgot to explain why I've been a while. I've been on rides non-stop. And it was because it was like quiet and I was in the pub to enjoy myself. And here I am now. What a day. First drill, going to the hole with its foundation ground with concrete. It's amazing feeling because it's the first ever time I actually done it today. So yeah, exciting, really am excited indeed. To see more, be sure to subscribe, especially if you like theme parks, because I'm going to be at Jumanji opening day and playing this game called Dispatching Bogies again. So if you remember those people who follow for the last few years now, I shout out bogies like Dick and Dom did with their TV series, but we're doing rides. So it's going to be a Jumanji edition. So be sure to subscribe to see Jumanji opening and Dispatching Bogies at Chessington next week. It's a big one next week. Double Jumanji content next week. I cannot wait. It's going to be great. Thanks for watching. And thank you all for supporting so far. Thorpe Park, until next time. Thank you very much.